In recent years, coffee shops have become an inseparable part of urban life. They are no longer simply places to enjoy a cup of coffee, but space where people meet, work, share ideas, and express their lifestyle. For many young people, visiting a coffee shop is not only about taste, but also about experience, atmosphere, and the image of the brand itself. This shift has made the coffee industry increasingly competitive, especially in the modern coffee segment. In such a competitive environment, coffee brand is required to do more than just sell product. They must be able to communicate consistently, build emotional connection, and maintain positive relationship with their consumers. Public relation plays an important role in this process. Through strategic communication, public relation helps shape brand perception, strengthen trust, and ensure the message delivered by a brand are clearly understood by its audience. Flash Coffee is one of the coffee brands in Indonesia that actively applies a structured public relation approach. By utilizing the RPIE model, Flash Coffee seeks to create effective and sustainable communication strategies. This video will discuss how the RPIE model is implemented in Flash Coffee public relation activity and how this model helped the brand respond to challenges in the coffee modern industry.
The modern coffee in Indonesia is growing very rapidly. Yes, especially among young people, coffee has become a lifestyle.
As a result, competition between coffee brands is getting tougher.
If brand communication is not consistent, a brand can lose its position.
That's why public relation is important, not just promotion, but for building the relationship.
Flash coffee is interesting because they apply a structural communication approach.
The coffee industry in Indonesia continues to show significant growth, particularly in the modern coffee segment. Changes in consumption patterns among millennials and Gen Z have made coffee not only a beverage, but also part of their lifestyle. Flash Coffee emerges as a modern coffee brand that is strongly supported by digital technology. In a highly competitive market, Flash Coffee faces challenges in maintaining message consistency and increasing customer engagement. At the research stage, Flash Coffee conducted a brand audit, analyzed consumer perception, and evaluated previous communication activities. The results show that although Flash Coffee is recognized as a modern brand, there are still consumer segments with relatively low engagement. These findings become the main foundation for developing the next PR strategy.
So, from the research, they could identify the core problem. Yes, and that helped them design more target planning.
The strategy was to focus on the audience who are active on social media.
Based on the research findings, Flash Coffee developed a public relation plan aimed at increasing brand awareness and customer engagement. The main target audience consists of consumers aged 18 to 35 who are active on social media and interested in new experience. The strategy includes creating creative digital content, collaborating with influencers, and organizing interactive coffee-related events. During the implementation stage, the strategy were executed in an integrated manner involving the public relation, marketing, and customer service teams. Flash Coffee actively ran digital campaigns on Instagram and TikTok, supported by influencer marketing and organized offline events to build direct experience with consumers.
The success of Flash Coffee public relation program was measured through several indicators, including social media engagement, follower growth, consumer participation in events, and customer satisfaction survey results. These evaluation results were then used as a basis for improving future communication strategies. Overall, the implementation of the RPIE model helped Flash Coffee develop a structured, adaptive, and sustainable public relation process. This study shows that successful public relation does not only depend on the message delivered, but also on consistent research, planning, implementation, and evaluation.